Yo, what is up, my YouTube fam? This is Cyrex Capital, and welcome to a new video. Now, guys, I just thought let me just do a video, do a trade breakdown, because I just took a trade. It was a winner, by the way. So yeah, the time is it's about 9 o'clock, right? Past 9 to 10, so ish. I'm not sure. So I just took a shower, right? I just took a shower and I'm gonna do my bid. Then after doing my bid, I'm gonna just break down the trade that I took today and show you guys all the complications that came with the trade, because something happened, right? And if you guys want to see that, make sure you stick right through till the end. And if you're new here, please click that subscribe button. And yeah, man, let's get it. Alright guys, so we are on the charts, right? I'm done making up my bid, so I'm not gonna show myself, right? But because I want you guys to hear me clearly, because the phone is close to my mouth, because I don't have like a proper mic. So I'm just going to compromise, right? Now, as you can see, there's GBP USD, which I have been journaling also, right? Which I have been journaling on. And yeah, man, okay, let's get into these two setups, right? So as you guys can see, right, I started trading at about 8 o'clock, right, which is my starting time, right? Now I don't trade with bias, right? I don't necessarily use bias, right? I don't at all. As you guys can see, I took a buy, and over here I took a sell, right? Now overall, as you can see, that price was breaking structures, going to the upside, right, ever since this morning, right? So what I did, or what I saw, was a continuation, right? I saw a continuation. Now I wasn't necessarily looking at this order block, right? But all the signs were there that I should take a long position, right? I don't necessarily use the EMAs, right? It's just like extra confluence, it's not that I necessarily use it to determine whether I'm going to take a buy or a sell, but they just there, when a trade aligns with these EMAs, it doesn't necessarily mean that I do risk more on these trades. Nah, it's just extra confluence. So that was why I was confident on this trade, right? Price is bullish short term, right? We have this order block where price is rejecting from, right? As you can see that this candle rejected this level, right? And even if you're trading support and resistance, you can just look at this as a zone, right? So after price created this CISD, rejected this level and created a CISD, which I then entered upon, right, for 1 to 2. My TP was set, everything. Price came, tagged me out, right? Now on this account, this is a small account that I've been growing, and this is the account that you guys have been seeing, right? So on this account, it tagged me out, right? Wait, let me turn this off. As you can see right there, right, it tagged me out and then it reversed. So if I hadn't set my TP correctly, I would have been stopped out of this trade, right? Because by the time I came back, price was already reversing, right? Price was already here. So what happened was on my Alpha Capital or my ACG account, right, since it has spread, right, over here I'm trading with zero spread, as you can see, and then over here, as you can see, there is a gap right there. So over here, it didn't tag me out, guys. It didn't tag me out because of spread. So what I did was I moved my stop loss to break even. As you can see that it took me out at break even right there. Sometimes this happens, guys. This does happen, and this is not the first time that's happening. So I'm not completely pissed about it because I know it does happen when you are trading with spreads like these, right? Now this is not a lot, right? This is not a lot, which is I'm used to it, right? But there's some prop firms where the spread is like a pip, you know. So yeah, man, these types of things do happen. And if it hasn't happened to you yet, it definitely will, trust me. So yeah, man, the second setup I didn't take, right? But according to my strategy or the way that I trade, I should have taken this trade, right? The reason why I didn't take this trade is because I am trying to be conservative with my trading, right? Which is I have compiled data, right? I've compiled data. Let me just see if I can find it. I've compiled data. It's still unorganized, guys. It's still unorganized, but like I do have February's data right on the strategy, and then these are just the different ways of me applying the strategy. But as you can see that if I take one win per day and stop, right, which is these ones, these trades right here, that it is more profitable, right? So yeah, man, that is the reason why I took only one trade. But obviously when I have other accounts, right, because I'm going to go back to Funded Next because I lost my account, right? I no longer have any account on Funded Next, so my next evaluation will be with Funded Next, right? And same here, guys, same here. As you can see, it stopped me out at break even right there. You know, this is an account, you know, it's left with $67. You know, there's no point of me trading this account, but what can I say, guys? I'm down to this account, right? And this account should be up by at least 1%, but because of, you know, these things happening, it's not, you know, which is completely fine because I am up on my personal account, right? This is my personal account. This is the only account that I have. I've been growing this account. Let me just show you the history of this account. So this is my second attempt at this, right? This is my second attempt at this. As you guys can see, the first time I failed, right? Basically put the account at $1, right? I traded $10, lost almost all of it, and then I deposited again, right? And I came back with a different strategy, right? Came back with a different strategy, and as you can see that there has been an improvement, you know, because I am winning more than I am losing, right? And my winning trades are 2 times as much as my losing trades. So that means that I have increased my risk to reward. So yeah, man, that is just today's trade breakdown, you know. But this, guys, right, this pattern, or what this is an extreme CISD, right? Well, this is my own variation, because I know there's some people in the comments that are going to be like, that is not a CISD. Also this is also an extreme CISD, right? Which is I have applied it my own way, as you guys can see. So a CISD is my only entry model, right, that I use on my trades. Yeah, man, that is it for today, right? And hopefully I'll be doing more of these, or you guys will be seeing more of these trade breakdowns almost every day, right? Because I do trade, each and every day, right? But yeah, man, that is just what happened today. On my funded account, I should have won 2%, but yeah, I got stopped out with break even. And on my personal account, which is the account that the trade closed in. But yeah, man, other than that, it's still a W day. Yeah, man, I will see you guys on the next one. But yeah, guys, if you aren't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so and turn on your post notifications to get notified the next time I drop. Other than that, that is it from me today. As always, it's your boy Cyrex Capital signing out. Yes, sir.